Yeah. So what is he thinking about? Yeah, what is he thinking about? Oh, he's thinking about a woman. Yeah, probably. Yeah, you think so? Or, I don't know, maybe we're just thinking about this. Maybe we're thinking about this, right? Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you're in the bed late at night, this is sexy. This is it right here. This is sexy. You should be looking and dreaming about some graphs like this. Look at this. Look how these lines just go up so nicely, right? They caress upward, but then they fall gently down. Gently caress the 200 simple moving average right there, okay? Just nicely touching it, okay? This is sexy right here. This is what we need to be talking about. So what are we talking about today? PANW. Okay, what is PANW? For everybody who doesn't know, okay, let's just go here, right here. PANW, cybersecurity. So CNBC is saying, oh yeah, another reason why people should buy, PANW because of cybersecurity reasons. There was a problem with AT&T. This is what this is about. So they're saying, okay, invest in this. Now, some people don't like a stock that costs this much. So right now it's at $273.40. It's touching right here. This is beautiful. How sexier can you get? Right? How much sexier can you get? Look at this. I love it. So, shouldn't we buy? I mean, look at it. It's right there, right? It's just like, oh, buy me, buy me. I mean, this is what I want. And when we look at it, going all the way back, I mean, it sticks with the 200. I love this. I love this. I mean, this is my fantasies at night. Okay? When y'all doing this, you better be thinking about stocks like PANW. Okay? So this is it. Now, this is what we got to be careful of. Okay, so over here on this side of the screen, if you can see here, let me just use this cursor real quick. Alrighty. Okay. It's neutral. They give it a 7. Okay, not too bad. Okay, fine. I'm not in love, but whatever. Okay. But the analysts, how many analysts do we have? We got 40 ratings. There's more buys than holding. Okay, that sounds good too. Okay, I like that. But we always got to investigate. Let's look a little bit more here. What's going on? Okay, overall consensus is a sell part here. Okay, is that because when it was falling from the sky? When it was up here at like 370 and it fell down, everybody was like, oh my God, the sky is falling, the sky is falling. I mean, because if you bought up here, yeah, you kind of like, you're feeling it right now. It's like the plane was dropping out the sky again, right? So is that why? Now, technically speaking, here in the middle, okay, the technical analysis is neutral, straight in the middle, right? Okay, that's not bad. The moving average part, they're saying it's a sell. Okay, so let's be careful. Let's just be careful with it. If you're up here, this part doesn't feel good. But if you're just coming in right now, you always want to buy on support. And here we are on support. It looks good. This kind of stock at this kind of price, if you're doing long term, I mean, look at this. Look how many years it's been, okay? Especially since 2018? We're just going up since 2018. Let me just see. We're just going up since 2018. So it's good for long term. Like I said, if you bought up here, you're kind of hating that it's down here, but this is a good ad spot for someone to take it to ride up. So I just wanted to point it out. I love to see a good, a good stock grid, chart. I just love it. So I always have to share it. For people who've never seen FinViz before, this is a place where you can go. It'll show you the chart. So this is the daily chart, okay? And then you scroll down. It'll show you all the pertinent numbers that you need to know. So here's a lot of the numbers you want to know about. Technical people, you want to know about, okay, these SMAs, like, are we over it? Are we over the 20, over the 50? Are we under? We're under. Okay, so look over here. You're under a little bit. You're under, but for the 200, you're touching it right now. Okay, a buy spot. So now, but this is the thing. Okay, when we go back to the chart, what about if we fall under this thing? What about that? Hold on, let me get this first. What about if we fall down here? Okay? Don't rush into things. Go slow. When you're going into something, if you don't have a lot of capital or whatever, go slow and then start to wait for the curve up a little bit to know, okay, yeah, maybe I'm kind of really going, like, go slow, because I don't know if we're going to drop down. And if we do that, how low will we go? Right? Are we going to go down to this level? Okay? Because that's the thing. We could do that. We can go right about here. Okay? I don't know how you're going to feel about that. So you don't want to load up your whole position and then we drop down to here. And then what about that breaks? Now, but should all that really happen? I mean, I'm thinking no on the stock, because look, this is not NEO, okay, that's been going under the 200, that's the orange line, the 200 moving average for like a year and a half or whatever. This has been always hugging it or going above it. It broke down here a little bit, but it regained and it kept going. So, you can feel a little bit more secure, but you always be careful. Yes, it could go up, but yes, it could go down. But I wanted to make sure that I brought it to you today, okay? So this is PANW. If you like that, click like and subscribe, and let's make money together. Signing out, Miss Moneymaker. I'll see you next video. Bye for now.